At a time when every minute is of utmost importance, this news, ladies and gentlemen, is very, very disheartening to say the least. The Health Ministry admits delays in the foreign aid. In fact, on utilization of the foreign aid arrives and the government is still trying to figure out how to use it. In fact, life-saving gear arrives and the government is still not being able to fix the logistics. So all that aid that is coming in from various countries, the government is still figuring out how and where that needs to be utilized and sent. That's a big question that today we are asking here on India Today. Will the health minister and the ministers concerned in the union government please get up and answer? Why is it that all the aid that has come in from various countries, more than 40 countries have in fact been sending aid to India? Why that aid is not on the ground? Why do we not see any situation changing on the ground despite getting so much help from all across the globe? Right, so this is the latest, in fact, coming in where the Health Ministry has admitted that they are still trying to figure out logistics of how to utilize the foreign aid. Maushmi, my colleague, joining us with more details on this. Maushmi, this is nothing less than criminal negligence on the part of the Union Health Ministry if they themselves are saying that foreign aid has come and they are still trying to figure out logistics. While with every passing hour, there are people, those who are dying in Delhi. 16 people more or less every hour are dying in Delhi.
Absolutely, Ankit. If you listen to the press conference of the Health Ministry, it is absolutely disappointing in the way political blame game is being played with the Health Ministry. In fact, going on reiterating that there are more deaths in non-BJP ruled states, whereas we've seen that there are dismal and very tragic conditions and severe gross mismanagement that is prevailing in various states, whether it is BJP ruled or non-BJP ruled. So that kind of temperament and attitude and explainer is simply not acceptable. And very importantly, as you pointed out, there is a clear claim that there is foreign aid that has come to India, but even then, the health ministry claiming and stating that the resources and the management is still being organized is actually absolutely callous and absolutely insensitive in the face of such a mammoth tragedy, Ankit, that is unfolding, and really it puts the country in a very, very bad light. It puts the
That this is an absolute harakiri which is being created, an absolute criminal negligence that they have not yet been able to figure out the logistics of the aid which is lying right now on Indian airports, on Indian ports, which is not being utilized to save precious lives. I want, ladies and gentlemen, for you to listen into Love Agarwal, what he said about the government's plan as far as the foreign aid is concerned, utilization of the foreign aid is concerned. Listen in.
विदेश से जितने भी हमारा जो सामान आ रहा है वह मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ उसको समझ रही है। समझने के बाद एक प्रोसेस है, बेस्ड ऑन नीड उसको अलोकेट किया जाएगा। कुछ ही देशों से जो हमारे मित्र देश हैं जिससे कुछ सामान है उनको कोऑर्डिनेट करके उनकी सप्लाई लानी शुरू हुई है। वह प्रोसेस अभी इन प्रोसेस है, उनका लॉजिस्टिक्स और मूवमेंट टाई अप किया जा रहा है।
In process, logistics is being worked out.